Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you guys are wondering how to remove songs from Instagram posts, in today's video we are going to discuss about it and go through the process. So let's just dive right in. Open up Instagram first on your screen, and once you open up Instagram, you may log in into your account. So go ahead and log in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can go over to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And that should open up your profile page with all of your available posts. You may go ahead and find the post that you would like to remove the music from, tap on it, and find the post. So, the only way possible to remove songs from an Instagram post is deleting the original post and reposting the content without the music. So, in order to delete the post, once you find the post, you may look out for the three dot in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and look out for the delete option at the very last. Tap on it, and you can confirm it up by tapping on this delete option right there on your screen. So confirm it up. And that should delete the post. You can even archive it, if not delete. Once that is done, you can repost the content without the music. So you can start up a new post. You can tap on the plus option in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of post and select the same picture that you found earlier that you want to remove the music from. After that, you can proceed in just go ahead and post the video without post the video without the song, and that way the song will be removed from the Instagram post, and that's it. And that is it. This is the only method available if you'd like to remove the song from an Instagram post. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.